everyone, it's Gina again from Orchid and Opal, and I am here with another little haul. This is what I've gotten from eBay this week. And what I like to do is I like to search for beads on eBay, and that's actually what I type in. I search beads, and I like to filter to free shipping and less than $1. And also then I do ending soonest. That way I can see what auctions are ending right then and there when I am actually logged into YouTube. Sorry, eBay, not YouTube. And then I can kind of pick things off as they're about to end and get some really good deals. So most of the time the items are from China, so keep that in mind if that's something you want to take into consideration with your purchase. Some of the quality might not be as good as some other name brands, of course, like Swarovski. I always have a hard time saying that, but the quality is not going to be Swarovski as far as crystal goes, and you will have to wait a little bit for shipping because it's from China. It will take, sometimes up to 4 or so weeks to get your items in, but it's kind of fun for me. Things kind of trickle in one by one, and it's kind of cool to like every day be getting in a new little packet. So anyway, for items that are really inexpensive, that I'm not trying to put into a really, really high quality piece, I don't mind them at all. I think they're a lot of fun. They add a lot of color, and some of them, really do look nice. Like a lot of their rondelles, I do really like. I know a lot of people don't like their bicones, and I definitely agree. They're just not on par with Swarovski crystals, but I do like to use them in some other projects where that may not matter so much. So without further ado, I'd like to get on with my list here for you guys to show you what I've gotten, as you can see. So I'm just going to move some of these out of the way so I can kind of cover them one by one. So these are the 4mm bicones that I did get, and because they're so inexpensive and I do use them for some other projects, I don't mind that they're not as uniform or as high quality. So what I was able to get on the left here, you can see the white. These are white crystal, and these are all quantities of 100. For the white, I paid 60 cents, and that includes the free shipping. For these in the middle, these are black AB, so they've got that really pretty AB finish, if you can see that, if the camera is picking it up. And then on the right, I have a really pretty light pink color, and these were 27 cents. And I'm not sure if I already mentioned, I think I mentioned the black ones were 60 cents. So that was really inexpensive for 100 bicones. I'm just going to move these off to the side. There we go. Alright, and then what I find sometimes are these really interesting, like stone or agate, and sometimes they're glass, but pendants. And so I just thought I'd like buy one and see, what it looked like. This ended up only being 49 cents, and it's just kind of neat. I don't know what I'll do with it. They have like all different colors and variations. So if I see one that's not too pricey, sometimes I like to snap it up. So it's kind of neat. Move that out of the way. And then everything else I got this week, they were rondelles. So this first one here is it's like a periwinkle color, and it's opaque. It's got a really pretty shine to it, as you can see, but it's opaque. I like the color a lot. This set was 35 cents, and I didn't get a count on how many beads that is. So it didn't quite say, and I'm not going to sit here and count them for you, but I think you get an idea. These are about a 6mm size. So just a really pretty color. I'm sure I'll incorporate those into something, and they'll just add a pretty accent. Alright, these blue, let's see, Crystal AB, and looks like, hold on one second, yeah. That's the Blue Crystal AB, a really pretty cobalt blue. And let's see if I can get my lighting to show these really well. Anyway, they were the most expensive thing that I had purchased, but because this was a really long strand, I was cool with that. I really wanted this color in particular that day because I really like cobalt blue, but this was $1.54 for this extra long strand. And then I got these basic black, which is always good to have, rondelles, 4x6 millimeter. And let's see, this was 49 pieces, and I paid 38 cents for these. Okay. And then the next item I got were another strand I had shown in my previous eBay haul. I had gotten a multicolored strand. I really like these because it just gives some different options right there on the spot of having different colors. I do see that there is looks like a damaged one. Not sure if you can see that. Looks like it's a little scratched up or something, but that's just par for the course when you buy on eBay and you get things really inexpensive. You just have to watch for that sometimes. But this multi-strand was 38 cents. Alright, and then finally I have 2 strands of light pink rondelles. This one is 150 pieces, so it's quite a long strand. And they're 3x4 millimeter size, really shiny, really pretty and sparkly. And they've got like kind of an AB finish, it looks like. And so that was 45 cents for 150 pieces. Nice long strand. Really like that color. And then so in the same light pink color, I have the 4x6 millimeter size, and it was 49 cents for 49 pieces. So that's what I got from eBay this week. Just thought I'd share. If you like this video and you want to see more hauls, see more of what trickles into my mailbox from eBay each week, let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. And I hope to be back soon with more hauls. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy, Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.